It is time for beach day number 65 on this Sunday, 16th of June. And to get to this spot, it took me 20 kilometers exactly with my Scott gravel bike. And this rocky beach, unofficial one, is located in the rich area in Stockholm called Solsidan. That's part of Nacka municipality. And you can see beautiful mansions very close to this beach spot. And I can't believe that this is the very first time that I'm here, because I have been exploring now the beaches in Stockholm for almost 10 years. This is my 10th summer, and yeah, I haven't gotten to this beach, but now the time has come. So today I wanted to cycle a bit longer, and I still wanted to pass by Erstavik, and from Erstavik's border to here it is only 3.5 kilometers, so not that long. Actually, I was headed to another beach that I have been to, but then I took a wrong turn and then I just continued. And I just love when I explore like that and end up at beautiful places like this. So I'm all alone right now here, and it's gonna be super nice to enjoy here. It is 2:30 p.m. and this one is facing south, so you have sun all day long, from morning to the early to the late evening as such. So yeah, quite nice and scenic, definitely, and I'm gonna be enjoying here for sure. Now the temperature in the air, it's 19 degrees Celsius, and in the sea I have already measured 18 degrees Celsius, so quite decent. The water is same as yesterday in Erstavik. It's just right over there. I can see the forests and the beach also as well. I can see from here. Very well. The beach adventures with Chris continue, and now let's take a swim together in the Baltic Sea right here. We can see Tyres also on the other side. That I actually wanted to go there today, but then I took the turn towards Nacka because it's better roads for bicycling. Yeah, this is how it looks like, and as I mentioned, it's located in a wealthy area of Solsidan. So now it's time for a swim. Let's find a way in. All right. Nice, very nice. The water is super clear, you see? It is so nice. All right, then off we go to take a swim in the Baltic Sea. Let's go. Today the sea is unusually salty. Yeah. Which is very good, which I love. But it's so nice and beautiful indeed. What a beautiful Sunday. The forecast mentioned that it's gonna be cloudy and rainy, but I didn't see any of it. To be fair, it rained during the night, but when I got up it was super sunny and nice. Yep, this is my spot for today, where I'm gonna be enjoying sunbathing, doing some TikToks also as well, dances that you will see also on my YouTube for sure. Nice. Beautiful, beautiful day out for a beach adventure on the Baltic Sea. Yes, this is actually close to the street called Havsstigen, It's actually part of it, I believe so. And I'm gonna point a map at the beginning of this video already, that you have seen where it is. Cool! Thank you so much for watching this episode with me from this wild beach at Solsidan, posh neighborhood in Stockholm, more specifically in Nacka municipality. And make sure to tune in for more beach adventures on my channel, Beach Adventures with Chris!